Have you ever thrown away food just because you don't like it? Or have you ever ordered so much food and you don't finish? That's what we are going to talk about today. We're going to talk about the food waste. Food waste is a problem. And why is it a problem? Can you imagine one of the 7 people in the world is facing starvation? So, in the world, there are about 7,000 billion people, according to the statistic, and it means if 1 out of 7 is starving, it means about 1,000 billion people are starving. It's more or less like 5 times number of Indonesian citizens in the total, because we have about 200 billion people in Indonesia. So it's quite a big number, and that's quite a big number, and out of 1 of 3 kilogram food produced goes to waste. So if we produce about 100 kilograms of food, 10 of it will surely go to waste. And it is a big problem in the world because many people are dying because of starvation. As we know, in Africa, there are a lot of people that don't get enough food as we do, but we do, and we just being not very grateful about it and throw away food like almost every day. And let's talk about Indonesia. What is the problem in Indonesia? The 3 main problems in Indonesia is actually the fast food and our eating behavior and the restaurants owners in Indonesia. So what about the fast food? Fast food it's so easy to order, but sometimes it's hard to finish because everybody just like to buy fast food and they usually just don't finish it and they just throw it away. Especially in the buffet, we like to take as many food as we want, but we usually don't finish it. And in the restaurants, the restaurant owner usually they don't know how to handle food waste. They don't have the knowledge of handling it, and they will just simply throw it away to the rubbish bin. And what can we do about it? There are actually 2 easiest things that we can do based on our culture, because we love to do farming. So why don't we use the food waste into compost? We can make a food bank out of the food waste and turn it into compost. Then we can use it for farms. We can use it to give food for we can use it to give. We can give it to the animals in the farms, or we can use it as a compost for the plantations. And we can also recook it. Who doesn't love fried rice? It's the easiest way to recook food in Indonesia, and I think most of us know how to do it. And if I would like to add one more thing, maybe we could be more reasonable when we are buying things. We should think before we buy, and whatever we put in first in the fridge, we should make sure that we check it out first, so we will not leave any food behind and rotten and we will just throw it away. So I think that's all that I can share for today about the food waste. Thank you so much for listening, and see you in the next video, and don't waste any more food. Thank you.